Good day, guys. Welcome to my channel. I hope everyone's doing great. It's the long weekend, and I hope everyone's having a great Easter. Um, I just want to give an update on my video. But just before that, if you're new to my channel, welcome aboard. Please do consider subscribing to my channel. Hit the like button, hit the notification button. It would really help me grow my channel. And if you are coming back, welcome back. And yes, I'm excited to give you this update. As you know, what I'm trying to do here, we had 3 garden beds and a lot of space in between that needed a lot of cleanups. So I've since cleared up all the 3 garden beds and the spaces in between, and I've tried to achieve what I have achieved so far. But it was a bit of a work in the sense there was quite a lot of weeds, and by that I want to show you this. Can you see how far? That's how much it is. This is the weed bed I had in one of the weed mat I had in one of the garden beds. I thought that would be easy for me to clear up, but I pulled it apart, and yes, there was quite a lot of weeds in between all these beds as well. So that's taken me quite a bit of time, but it's all over, at least so much so. So I've cleaned up all these beds and the spaces in between, and what I also did was I dug up a trench, as you can see, and put this gutter, well, not the gutter guard, the guard. I'm not sure what to call it, guys, but this is the guard. Obviously, it's not straight, and there is a background to it. The previous owners of this property, they had dug up and put a few irrigation pipes, maybe to water the lawn, I guess. So there were about 3, 4 of them that were under the ground. And also there were lots of roots from this Idolia and the other trees, so they are all still there. So you could reach all this far. So yeah, I couldn't go really pretty deep and cut a straight line, but that is fine, I guess. We're not trying to achieve anything here. It's by no means a botanic garden, all I'm trying to do here is veggie raised garden beds. And I think once I do a bit more work, it might kind of cover up the patchy work that I've done. But let's see how we go. Yeah, so this is how it looks, guys, and I'm pretty stoked with how it's come up. I'm very happy. Um, and with the weeding, I could still continue doing weeding, and it would probably take me a lot of time, and that would not promise me that there won't be any more weeds. So I think I've stopped right here, and my next plan is to cover up the whole space with a weed mat, and then we would start. I'm in 2 minds. Maybe start assembling the garden beds, or maybe just fill up the whole place with what we want to do. Maybe mulch, or maybe stones, or maybe some pavers. I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm just going to give it a thought. But this is what I've achieved today, and it looks all right. So yes, thanks for stopping by my channel. And as I mentioned, if you're new to my channel, please do consider subscribing to my channel. It would really help me grow my channel and motivate me to put on more videos and try to share my experience with what I'm doing in my garden. And yeah, hit the like button, smash button, and you guys all have a great time. Thanks, and have a good day. Bye.